Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
UMDC ke Mokhar Pentor Umkra Constituency, uba pencingan NCM. Haka laitrik mentau nailor araya kendai. Ula play ba yaki artli ki kamera kelas bathamai, balashna thamai, jong ke Mokhar Christian High Secondary School, kebadan hakani ke nongba Shillong. Ya ke bala bay pisa, lengba ka Special Grant Assistant, haka jinglot ke bakot saulak tingka, nadu menba uba pencingan NCM Udanglong, Chief Executive Member, jong ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Haka jingilang play kini ki artli ki kamera kelas bathamai, lai don langru principal jong kini ke skol uba AH Nongbat, principal barim jong kini ke skol uba RSAM, Reverend GPL Gado, ke vice principal jong kini ke skol ke Kong B Pongro, bat ki kena puli jong kini ke skol.
I would like to impress to all of you that nowadays, what is important for us, we need quality. If you are a student, we need quality of student with qualities. If you are a teachers, we need teachers with qualities. If you are a politician also, we need politicians with qualities. Because to survive in now this generation, it is very, very difficult. I think we all remember that during the time before, to get admitted in the for medical study, we just see on merits and demerits. Now we have to appear the entrance examination need. Those who score maximum 97%, they will qualify to get entrance in the medical college. So I just want to appeal to my dear students. As we live in a generation of very competitive generation, we need to make ourselves quality students. Naman akan mau bahaya dia, agar berpengaruh noi ikan, iron kam, ia kabandon kam quality ke jogi. Apun kita orang yang kumno ba pun singa jadi buat politicians. Pikam tip kandiat tapi orang yang history juri kasih ke jongi, history ke kandiat wasiap, history ke sensyar ke kadar, orang yang hapan pensitom kandiat. Kenang ba gila yang bantip sibun kiai. Hakan dekat pon apa pun kau Yusuf Mandru nomor bang ayok ban. Nah aku belajar pang ika managing committee. Apa ngakan mau ke school, nah saulak naga special central assistance. Berkirang kan mau yang aban pak kapriwan. Apa le yang kepade. Apa kerana yang bersisa. Meniling beru William. Kabamut idon kam banlong kibriu badon yang kualiti. Aga future ka jongi. Dari jongi ko a very rich state with many potentiality. Piong human resources, you potential. Piong tourism, you potential. Piong mineral resources, huge potential. Piong power sector, kiwa jungi sini mo, power sector na kiwa, huge potential. Hagabag put dah dan kam dan jam. Tu saya, yo star simen sa West Bengal, ya yo bungsun jungi. Yo ba may ginang Bangladesh ya jungi. Namang yumtap igi resources jungi, ban create employment nam taki breu jungi. Ngiron kami di beriu kibayo ichai na kabenta kelasai jungkari kasih berita jongi. Menta na kawai kapor mi ke central loss. Tapang isap ting kalong lasai kendau central loss, umru central loss, nung sencar sinong ru naga dorban sinong saka pamiciat. Ngiron kam mentai ke beriu ke badan quality ban protect ia ka traditional ia ka system ka jongi kat kumbala seng daki log shwa di panshwa. Masih pergi mau ya fiki kena kenang bapim ya be syata. Nama kali ban sedang ya pimbenta. Kamu tak ada kesinga semua bagai message tu jangan happy baro tolong persang bandoni ke quality lagi don hakanu kanuka benda kami di banturai. Itu nak missions. Baro yang ba mau tanggi missionary di ba. Tri kami missionary linyu kita nak mission ke jogi. Mission nak benda kami kai, mission nak jilong nunggu ikan. Commission pun di kena school, commission pun di politician, nak benda kalau saya juga ribu saya.